The Digi IX40 is a 5G edge computing industrial IoT router built for Industry 4.0. This allows for diverse applications like predictive maintenance or advanced robotics. Like other Digi routers, it is integrated with Digi Remote Manager to empower rapid processing, analysis, and integration of industrial asset data. Once we open the box, we find the usual documentation about the device password and Digi Remote Manager, safety information, a welcome guide, and sticker with the device's unique password and hardware information. The IX40 is built with an IP30 enclosure that is best suited for environments where the temperature ranges do not exceed -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. It has a DC power input ranging from 12 to 30 volts, which allows for some flexibility. If needed, there is a removable terminal block where an AC adapter can be connected. Users should note the power consumption is up to 8 watts, but as low as 3.5 watts when handling idle traffic. For those utilizing wired connections, there are 4 total gigabit Ethernet ports that can be configured as WAN or LAN. Additionally, you have 2 1 gig capable SFP sockets. A serial port is available with support for Modbus and serial over TCP and UDP. You also have 2 digital outputs and 2 analog inputs on the front of the router here. On the left side of the router is where you'll find the SIM card slots. The supported size is 4FF, also known as the nano size. One SIM slot will be used as the primary connection, while the second can be used as a failover if needed. Note that only one SIM can connect at a time. This has a single 5G modem built in, which is backwards compatible with a LTE Advanced Pro Cat19 connection. Frequency band support includes CBRS, C-band, and FirstNet. Moving to the back side of the router, we have the antenna ports. This includes 4 SMA female connectors for the cellular and a 5th SMA female for GNSS support. NMEA 4.11 and TA-IP protocols are supported. On the bottom, along with the device label, are screw holes for attaching the optional DIN rail mounting bracket kit. You'll notice that no accessories are included with the IX40. So for those needing AC power and indoor antennas, check out the optional starter kit, which you can find the link to in the description. With its all-in-one design and 3-year product warranty, Digi IX40 lowers total cost of ownership, reduces complexity, and ensures reliability and efficiency. Check it out today at 5gstore.com. Thank you for watching, and remember, click the subscribe button if you're interested in more videos like this.